Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply install GIMP in your computer device in a very simple way. Before that, we're going to show you how you can simply download it. For that, you have to open any of your favorite browser, and then you have to come over into the search option, and you can simply search for GIMP and click on enter. You're going to get the website from here, www.gimp.org. If you click on that, then you're going to get an option called the download 3.2.2. So if you click on the download option, if you want to download it from the directly, you have to click on this. If you're using BitTorrent, you can go for that. And the Microsoft, for the Microsoft Store, you have to look for this. So I'm going to go for this one directly. So if you click on that, and you can simply see the download has been started. It will take some seconds to complete. For that, you have to keep your patience. And you can simply see the download has been completed. Now, if you click on the folder icon, and you can simply click on for the install. And here will be two options called install for all users, install for me only. So I'm going to recommended one, go for install for me only. And you have to click on install. And you can simply see the GIMP is rightly extracting the files. So minimize all the background tab. And now the setup is completed. Now, if you click on this one called launch GIMP, and then if you click on the finish option, the GIMP will automatically launch. And here it is. And now you can simply see that the GIMP is rightly opened in your computer device. And this is how you can simply download and install GIMP in your computer device. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another video. Till then, goodbye.